Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to use Magnifier feature on this laptop. So to enable the Magnifier feature, all you have to do is press the Windows key and plus key at the same time. This will open up a Magnifier settings bar where you can change the level of the zoom. You can also do it using shortcuts like Windows plus and Windows minus. You can use these two icons to reset the size of the zoom. You can use this play button in order to read the text from the page you're currently at.
Recycle bin. Recycle bin.
You can use this button to select the elements you want to read the text from.
Microsoft Edge.
And in the settings you can change the speed of the magnifier as well as the voice of the reader. And you can also open more settings either here or by going into the start menu, settings, accessibility, magnifier, and here you'll be able to enable magnifier again by switching the toggle without using any shortcuts. You can change the zoom level, you can change the zoom increments level, and of course the view. So Windows Magnifier has three views. The first one is tagged, the second one is full screen, which you have just seen, which is this one, and also the lens magnifier. And so the tagged magnifier looks like this. And if you want to change some settings of it, go right here, and you can have your magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, narrator cursor, and the full screen magnifier also has these options, but you can also choose to keep the mouse pointer either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen right here, and also do the same to the text cursor. Now the last view is the lens view, and it looks like this, and the only settings we can change for it is the size and reshaping the frames of the lens. And basically that's it. That's how you use Magnifier on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.